Hello, and congratulations on your new Wave Surge Cup. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Attach the cup. Screw on the best-fitting cup onto the body. There are 3 cups: large size, medium size, and the curved cup. Step 2. Power on. Turn the surge on.
Step 3. Select duration. Toggle the duration button to select a time. Session times are 10, 15, and 20 minutes. We recommend starting with a few minutes to get used to the effects of pressure. Slowly increase the treatment time to 10 minutes or longer if desired. Step 4. Select intensity. Toggle the pressure button to select suction intensities.
-1 is mild.
And -2 is deep intensity. Always start with -1 intensity and only increase to -2 if you are comfortable to do so. Step 5. Set light level. Toggle the power/light button to select a light level. Level 00 indicates no light. Levels 01 through 03 deliver progressively higher intensities. Start at level 01 and increase the intensity gradually as needed.
Step 6. Position the pup. Position the surge over the area to be treated. Step 7. Complete or release. Wait for session to complete or press the release button. Once the session is complete, remove the cup, clean it, and store it properly. Use it for muscle tension, stiffness, and postural tightness. We recommend waiting at least 1 week after your first session before using the surge over the same body area again. Once you are comfortable with the effects of cupping, you can use the surge once every 4 to 5 days. The time in between cupping sessions allows your body to maximally respond to the effects of cupping and light therapy.